What is force? Force is a fancy word for pushing or pulling an object. For instance, when you bounce a ball, you are applying a force to it. Force makes objects go faster, slower, stop, or change shape. What is motion? Motion means changing where an object is located or how it is positioned. Riding a bike, kicking a ball, and walking are all examples of motion. Motion needs force to cause the change. Compression. Compression is a pushing force that is created when an object is pressed together like the spring on a pogo stick. Elastic. Elastic force is created when an object like a rubber band is trying to return to its natural length. Tension. Tension is the pulling force of a string or rope when it is pulled in opposite directions, like in a tug of war. Friction. Friction is a force that slows or stops motion when two objects are rubbed together, like when a soccer ball rolls across grass, slows, and then stops. Gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls another object toward a huge object like the Earth or Moon. Magnetism. Magnetism is a force that attracts or pulls closer metal toward a magnet. Push. Pushing is a force to move something away from you, like pushing a merry-go-round. Pull. Pulling is a force to move something toward you, like pulling a wagon.